Hey everybody, it is March 5th, 2021. It's Friday, so happy Friday. Made it to the weekend. What can I tell you about today? It is even later / earlier than usual for me. I've been awake for a long time. I spent all of yesterday working on this one video project for a secret project I can't tell you about, and that may not amount to anything, but it's one of those things where an opportunity came up and I'm like, you gotta go for it, or at least see what happens. So I feel like I just, want to get the engine going again. And that's all I'll say about that. So yesterday was spent basically staring at a bunch of screens and doing a lot of recording and editing of film footage and all that. So it was fun, but it took up a lot of attention and my whole day, and I didn't leave the house once. And it's a nice segue into today's fun themed day, which is National Unplugging Day. And man, I just want to not look at a screen for a while. So yeah, saw the finale of WandaVision, so it's like, I'm good with screens. I got my screen film. So never mind the fact that I'm talking to a screen right now. But okay. So yes, today's a good day to unplug, and I'm thinking I don't have to worry about tech stuff today. I don't have to worry about eBay sales stuff today. I just gonna go analog today. So okay. Yeah. Hope you have a fun Friday. If your work is easy and all that, and just you get the weekend you want. So good luck to you and good luck to me. Talk to you tomorrow. Take care.